Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing video of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and this is a review unit, which is why, by the way, it has this cover. This doesn't come in the box with the normal unit that you buy from the site. It's here also for review, so there'll be something on that fairly soon along with the review for the phone. So here is what you get. Here is a nice little message on the OnePlus community, which is quite true, I find. So I left it there before I unbox. Okay, let's see what we got here. Very nice box. It's gotten quite bigger over the years, this thing. Okay, you have the 7 here. As you can see, if you come a little closer, I don't know if you can see, 7 Pro, not the regular 7. Right, what have we here? This, I think, is all the normal documents and things like that. Okay, we have a welcome. And we have a clear case, which is nice because this is the Nebula Blue model, which should be very pretty. So, a review case aside, it's quite good to have a clear case for this, so you can still kind of enjoy it. So, if you can see here, we have the Nebula Blue model, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. Right, what else do we have here? Let's get this more boring stuff out of the way first. Invitation letter. I'll open that later. Okay. Here. Aha. Typical stuff that you see normally. Okay, here. SIM ejector tool, useful. I'm gonna put that on my keyring. Yep, put to one side. Documents. Right, there we go. Now the main event, what we're all here for, is this. And first impression, it's hefty, definitely. And it feels very, very premium. So let's open this thing up. Wow, I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, but it has this really cool shimmering effect, slight gradient. It's somewhat similar to the 6T, kind of the Thunder Purple version, something like that. Right. And here you have the main selling point, let's say, of the front of the phone, which is the curved screen, which looks actually spectacular. No other way to put it. It's a full screen phone. We all know about the pop-up camera that you have here, microphone, a speaker grill. This phone has double Dolby Atmos speakers, so that's something for late for the review. This should be the SIM port, USB-C charging port for the warp charge. And here's something that I will remove later. OnePlus logo, looking very clean. Very nice. All right. Okay, let's put that to one side. By the way, the curved screen here is every bit as good as a Samsung or something along those lines. Very impressed on first impression. Of course, I'll power this up later to use, so we'll see how the screen is, but I'm expecting some very good things here. Let's see what else we have. Come forth. All right, charging brick. So what is here? That should be the cable. Yeah, that is the cable. So can open that up later. Let's see, do we have anything else? For instance, shouldn't be, but no, don't think so. If anything is hiding somewhere, I'll let you guys know. But I think this is pretty much it for the OnePlus 7 Pro unboxing. Now, review should be coming up soon, so stay tuned.